the air, turn out you breathe. Yet I'm morning, feeling up your eyes, waking up the life in me.
GC para sa'yo, mother,
Set my soul on
father.
fire.
Sana magustuhan mo.
Heartbeat toward the sun. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love. There's a quiet moving in your wings. It's a peace I've never.
Hi loves, wear this gift for your perfect suit and for our perfect day. Can't wait to see my future husband. See you later. I love you so much. Love your soon ex-girlfriend.
You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love.
Dear loves, we are now here sa moment na pinakahihintay natin. After more than a year of preparation, now it's happening. The dream I had when I was a child is now happening when the man I love. Sa loob ng 9 years natin, I saw a man not only know how to love his family, but know how to love me unconditionally. Lord gave me a wonderful man, a man who taught me how to love and to be loved. From the very first day of our relationship, you've been my constant. Your love has been steady, reassuring, and so gentle. You never fail to make me feel deeply loved, happy, and safe. I know it will continue for the rest of our lives, and I thank God every day for you.
Will play themselves out. Take this sinking boat and port it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You make it now.
Loves, Osel, ngayon ay misis ko. Thank you, Loves, sa lahat. Sa tiwala at sa suporta na binibigay mo sa akin at sa pag-aalaga mo. Thank you for being so generous. Na sa lahat ng bagay, kinoconsider mo ako. Sobrang salamat, Loves, sa lahat ng pagmamahal mo. Thank you for loving me the way you do. For being patient with me and for always believing in me. Lalo na sa mga panahong nagdududa ako sa sarili ko. You make me want to be the best version of myself every single day, and I can't imagine my life without you.
Yourself, it's time that you want. Take this sinking boat and port it.
Sana magiging masaya siya sa buhay, may asawa, yung magiging anak niya, mapalaki niya ng maayos. Kagaya din ng pagpapalaki namin sa kanila. Yun lang yung masaya na ako sa ganung nakikita ko silang ganun.
You made it now.
person I know, the most selfless person I know, and the most caring person I know. I never expected na may taong magmamahal sa akin na gaya ng pagmamahal mo. Thank you for accepting me who I am.
Nagka-classmate kami ng college for 5 years. Magbarkada kami nung college. Pero wala kami any romantic relationship. Nag-start lang siya after graduation. So during review school, naging magka-classmate kami ulit during review school. And then nagsimula lang din sa chat-chat regarding review materials hanggang sa napadalas yung pag-message hanggang sa andun, umabot na sa ligawan stage.
Carlo and Rochelle, you are not perfect couple. Walang ganon. Walang perfect husband, walang perfect wife. Walang ganon. Walang perfectong pamilya. And at the end of the day, you are called to forgive each other. Despite of your imperfections, despite of your shortcomings, despite of your sinfulness, learn how to forgive. Naalala ko sinabi ng isang pare, if you cannot forgive, do not marry. Kung hindi ka marunong magpatawad, huwag kang mag-aasawa. Dahil ang buhay pag-aasawa, yan ay panghabang buhay ng pagpapatawad. At tandaan ninyo, ang taong nagpapatawad ay ang taong tunay na nagmamahal. At ang taong tunay na nagmamahal ay ang taong nagpapatawad.
Hi, loves. I hope you like my wedding gift. I am sure you will look gorgeous later. I love you. See you later, loves. I love you so much. Mahal kayo. Mahalap nito. Love, I promise I will be a good wife. I will be your best friend, and I will be a good mom to our future children. Let's continue to cherish every single moment of our lives. I am so excited, my loves, that now we are finally getting married. I love you, and I will always love you until my last breath. Carlo, mahal na mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Spirit soaring, I'll touch the sky. With me, sit there, grab my heart beating. I'm strong breathing. I found my life. We laid it down. I want for you. Spirit soaring, I'll touch the sky. With me, sit there, grab my
Carlo, this is your most awaited moment. You may now kiss your wife.